Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to upgrade Windows 10 from Home to Pro without reinstalling Windows or losing files. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. To find out your Windows version, right-click on the Windows logo. From the menu, we click on System. As you can see, I'm working on a Home single language version. To begin the upgrade process, I will click on Change Product Key. I will press Change Product Key again. Here I will add this serial number to convert Windows 10 from Home to Pro. In the first pinned comment you will find a link to download a file containing 3 serial numbers to try. We will right-click here to paste the serial number after copying it. Then I will click on Next. Now we will click on Start to begin the process of converting Windows from Home to Pro. If Windows is activated with a genuine serial key, you will lose this activation as soon as the upgrade process begins. If you encounter a problem with the upgrade process, disconnect from the internet and try again. If you lose Windows activation after upgrading to the Pro version, I will leave a tutorial on how to solve this problem at the end of this video. The computer will now restart to complete the upgrade process. The upgrade process from Windows 10 Home to Pro has been completed. Let's now check the Windows version. To find out your Windows version, right-click on the Windows logo. From the menu, we click on System. As you can see, the upgrade to the Pro version of Windows 10 was successful. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the Windows 10 tutorials. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.